Hey guys, today I'm coming to you with a video of the monitor hookup for an HTC or any phone that has a micro USB adapter. So here it is in the packaging. This is the HTC adapter. It's a micro USB to HDMI in. There it is. Here you have your HDMI and your micro USB. Then you have your micro USB out. So let's show you how it works. Go over here. Unplug the USB or the HDMI coming out of my laptop. Now you're going to plug the HDMI out into the HDMI in, like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab your charger and plug it in here. Flip it over. There. Now it won't be running off the phone battery. There we go. Now, I'm gonna get my Samsung Galaxy Skyrocket and plug it in. Now, adjust this. And there we go. Unfortunately, it doesn't do like full screen, but then it'd be all like stretched out and stuff. So there it is. Show you guys, it works on everything. Go to mod face. Not mod face, gallery. Just show you guys one of the movies. And then for movies and games and stuff, you can turn it sideways.
Rachel and Dawson has. Hold on, I'm on them. I gave my love to Karen. She promised to be true.
Alright, so that's it for the HTC micro USB or to HDMI adapter. Hope you guys like this video. As always, rate, comment, and subscribe. Also give me feedback. And if you have any requests for videos, let me know. Thanks.